To get a Claude AI API key in 2026, you need to use the Anthropic Console, which is the developer-focused side of the platform. This is separate from the standard chat interface at Claude AI. Step 1. Access the Anthropic Console. Go to console.anthropic.com. Log in or sign up. You can use your existing Google account or sign up with a professional email. Verification. If you are creating a new account, you will likely need to verify your email and provide a mobile phone number to receive a verification code. Step 2. Set up your billing, required. Unlike the free chat interface, the API is pay-as-you-go. Navigate to Settings, Plans and Billing. Purchase credits. You must add a credit card and buy an initial amount of credits, e.g., $5 or $10, to activate your API access. Set limits. It is highly recommended to set a monthly spending limit here to prevent unexpected costs if your code runs into an infinite loop. Step 3. Generate the API key. In the left-hand sidebar, or under your profile menu in the top right, click on API Keys. Click the Create Key button. Name your key, give it a descriptive name like development_project_1 so you can track where it's being used. Copy immediately, this is critical. Your API key will only be shown once. If you close the window without copying it, you cannot retrieve it and will have to delete it and create a new one. Step 4. Secure your key. Store it safely, use a password manager or an environment variable file, .env. Never hardcode, do not paste the key directly into your public GitHub repositories or front-end code, as others can find it and use your credits.